Damn, how fancy is life? Have a lot of money, pretty chicks, and have a cool ride.
Again and again. He's not the Adit anymore.
By the way, how about yesterday? I mean about your new job.
No, nothing, but I think it's better than before.
What's about?
I'm in surface and facilities. I need to meet clients. I have just called to them by my phone. That's more flexible.
So, I saw Adit's stories yesterday. He went to some fancy place, pretty chicks, and his classic custom with his community. What a good life.
That was nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
I mean, as a person like him, he's supposed to keep some for his future life, like an investment.
I don't know. But I think he can afford all of that.
No, I know him well since we were kids, but I think this day is not Adit he used to know.
Does he come from the rich family?
Hey there. Hey, bro.
You talking about me, right?
Yeah, sorry before, but I think you don't need to do that, Dit.
To do what?
Like going to some expensive places, spending your money for your bike, and anything else. You know that glamour lifestyle is not everything. Do you forget about our memories when we were under hard times and still have a lot of fun together?
You know that. But I have to.
Hello, Adit. Don't forget you have to meet the client that I've been told you before. Can you suggest him about our new custom?
Okay, I'll do my best.
So what about the video? Is it having a lot of exposure and engagement?
Yeah, don't worry. After I've made that video, our business account has got a lot of new followers.
Well, that's great. But don't forget about the client that I've been told you, okay?
Of course, we'll make a 10. Then I'll take him to our garage.
Sounds great. Good luck then.
Thank you.
This game's what you wanna do. Batter up, dug sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you.
This is a gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
I'm sorry for coming late.
No, it's okay. By the way, I looked at your Instagram page last night, and I'm interested one of the custom that you got.
Okay, which one?
Babe, how about this?
Yes, babe. I like it too.
This one. How much did it cost?
It will cost you 30 million.
Okay, but can I check it first?
Of course. I'll take you to our garage.
Well, sounds great.
Temuin Cak, berisik banget malam-malam Ki. Cima. Ya. Hati. Ya.
Come on.
Oke.
Adit, welcome to our garage. Please take a look at first.
So, where is the bike that I asked you yesterday?
Over there. But take a look. Maybe you will interested beside this one.
Babe, wait. My mom is calling right now.
Okay. So, could you recommend me the bike that suits my style? And please explain detail of the bike too.
Okay, so for this one, the basic of this bike is Yamaha Scorpio with the concept is traditional chopper. So,
for this one. This is Suzuki GSX 250 with scramble style. It suits for your daily life. Last one that I recommend for you is this one. The basic Sam with chopper, but this is Japanese style.
Okay, thanks a lot for your recommendation. But I think I still fall in love with this one because I still connected this bike at my first sight.
Alright, if you insist with this bike.
Okay.
Deal.
Because it is part of my job and there is no option. But don't worry, I'm still Adit that you know.
Again and again.
Shen.
Glamour. Berarti kan pas bangun ini. Nih,
Jangan.